This is my Grob vertical bandsaw. It's in excellent condition. Everything runs nice and smooth and quiet. It's actually running right now. There's no problems with it. It has the power feed option. You just have to hook up a cable to it. As a counterweight, you push it down, it'll pull your work into it. It's a really nice machine. Let's check the throat depth here. The throat depth is about 18 inches. The table size is 24 inches by, I'd say, 24 inches. And the height here is 13 inches. So like I said, everything works great. It's actually running right now. No problems with this thing. Just a little dirty. Cuts great. I got a piece here I kind of started steel, so I could do it with one hand. I kind of started it. Cutting right through that like butter. It bent down, but it's hard to do this with one hand. Cuts nice and clean, no problems. And that steel, pretty thick. I'm not sure what gauge that is. So yeah, that's about it for this one. Got the work light ready to go. If you have any questions or you want to make me an offer, feel free to call or text me. My name is Randy. My number is 502-999-2620. Thanks for looking.